Psychology has studied this for decades, and the conclusion is always the same. People don't judge you by what you intend to say. They judge you by what your body, your timing, and your silence signal without your permission. This is called nonverbal leakage, and most people are leaking low status every single day. Most people lose respect before they even speak, not because they said the wrong thing, not because they're unqualified, but because of tiny habits, ones they've never even noticed. The way they move, the way they react, even the way they go silent. And in the next few minutes, you're going to see exactly what those habits are and how to fix them. Habit number 1, unnecessary movement. When people feel anxious, their body moves, fidgeting, touching their face, shifting weight. It seems harmless, but to the human brain, movement without purpose reads as nervousness, and nervousness reads as weakness. Studies in behavioral psychology show that people who move less are consistently rated as more confident and more trustworthy, even when they say the exact same words. The fix is simple, but hard. Move with intention. Be still when you don't need to move. Habit number 2, reacting too fast. Here's something nobody tells you. Speed of reaction signals how much someone affects you. When you react instantly to everything, a joke, a criticism, a question, you're telling the room that other people control your emotional state. High authority people pause, they process, they respond on their timeline. This is called response latency, and it's one of the most powerful psychological tools you've never been taught. Next time someone says something designed to provoke you, pause for 2 full seconds before responding. Watch how the entire dynamic shifts. Think about the last time someone provoked you and you reacted instantly. How did that feel afterward? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Habit number 3, being uncomfortable with silence. Most people are terrified of silence, so they fill it. With words, with laughter, with unnecessary explanation. But silence is not emptiness. Silence is pressure. Psychologists call this the burden of speech. Whoever speaks first in a moment of silence is usually the one who feels most uncomfortable. High authority individuals let silence sit. They don't rush to fill it. And that stillness, that calm, signals control. The next time a conversation goes quiet, resist the urge to speak first. Just breathe. Hold it. You'll feel the shift. Habit number 4, taking up too little space. Psychologist Amy Cuddy found that body posture doesn't just affect how others see you, it affects how you see yourself. Hunched shoulders, arms pulled in, head slightly down. These aren't just posture problems, they're authority signals. And they're broadcasting, I don't fully belong here. Taking up space, physically, tells the room your presence is natural. It's not arrogance, it's groundedness. Shoulders back, feet planted, head level. That's it. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Authority isn't something you announce. It's something people feel before you say a word. And now you know what's been quietly working against you. Fix these 4 habits, and you won't just seem different. You'll feel different, and the people around you will respond differently. If this video made you think, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.